Hi everybody, in this video let's look at chapter 9, solution of triangle. 9.1 sine rules. I have a triangle over here A, B, C. Normally, if this is vertex A, the opposite side we will label it with a small letters of A. If this is vertex B, the opposite side we label it with a small letters of B. If this is vertex C and the opposite side we will label it with a small letters of C. According to sine rules, A, the side length here, divided by sine of this angle is equal to B, the side length of B, divided by sine this angle, and is equal to C divided by sine angle C. Okay, so we can actually invert them. You can write them become sine A over A is equal to sine B over B is equal to sine C over C. Normally, if the questions ask us to find side length, we will choose this one. If the questions ask us to find angle, we will choose this one. So this rule not only can be applied for acute angle triangle, it can be also applied for obtuse angle triangle, for example this one. Okay, now let's try a few examples. In the diagram, PQR is a triangle. So we have a triangle PQR. QR is equal to 6 centimeters. Angle P is equal to 50 degrees. Angle R is equal to 70 degrees. Find the angle Q. We want to find this angle. Okay, this one I think it should be no problem, because you know that the sum of the interior angle of a triangle will be always equal to 180 degrees, right? So if you want to get this angle angle Q, we just take 180 degree minus 50 degree minus 70 degree. Then you will get the angle Q. So you should be able to get 60 degree. Once we get the answers, I would suggest you to label the answer onto the diagram, so easier for us to solve the part B and C. 60 degree. Okay, now let's go to B. Now we want to find the length of PR, which is over here. So now I can use sine rules to help me to get the side length. So still remember, now we are looking for side length. I will put the side length on the top. So PR over sine 60 degree is equal to 6 over sine 50 degree. Okay, so now this one I think should be no problem. This is 6 over sine 50 degree. Okay, I move this up times sine 60 degree. Okay, just press your calculator and you should be able to get the length of PR. 6 over sine 50 times sine 60. Okay, so the answer is 6.783 centimeters, right? Okay, correct, centimeters. Okay, so this is 6.783 centimeters. Now let's proceed to the last part, the length of PQ. Now we are looking for this length. So if I want to find PQ, I put the PQ on the top. PQ over sine 70 degree is equal to, you can use this two or this two, but in this case I will prefer to use this one because this two given by the questions, so it will be more safe if we use the information given by the questions. So this is side length on the top, right? So for this side, I have to put the side length on the top first also. 6 centimeters divided by sine 50. Okay, so PQ will be equal to 6 divided by sine 50 degree times sine 70 degree. Okay, let me draw a line over here. Okay, so this one, just press your calculator. 6 divided by sine 50 times sine 70. 7.8, oh sorry, 7.360 centimeters. Okay, now let's try example number 2. In the diagram, ABC is a triangle such that AB is equal to 7 centimeters, BC is equal to 8 centimeters, and angle A is equal to 60 degrees. We want to find angle C. Okay, so we want to find this angle. So now the question is asking us to find angle. I will put angle on the top. Sine angle C over 7 is equal to sine 60 over 8. Okay, no. Now sine angle C is equal to sine 60 degree over 8 times 7. Okay, so let me get the value for this part first. Sine 60 divided by 8 times 7. Okay, so you should be able to get 0.7578. So if you want to take more decimal places, also can. If let's say you want to take 5 decimal places, also can, no problem. So angle C will be equal to, we want to find the angle, right? So later on when you press your calculator, remember to press a shift, then press a sign. So you will get, we want to find the anti-sign of this. Okay, shift sign 0.7578. Okay, so you should be able to get 49 degree 16 minutes. So if you don't want to give your answer in this form, you can also give your answer in another form, which is 49.27 degree. Both are correct. Okay, once I get the answers, I will label the answer on the diagram. So 49 degree 16 minutes. Okay, now I want to get the angle B. So if I want to get the angle B, then it will be very easy, because you know that the sum of the interior angle for a triangle will be always equal to 180 degree, right? So just take 180 degree minus this and this, you will get the angle B. Okay, let me write over here. Angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree minus 49 degree 16 minutes. Okay, 180 minus 60 minus 49 degree 16 minutes. Okay, so you should be able to get 70 degree 44. Okay, this is degree 44 minutes. Let me label it 70 degree 44 minutes. Okay, part C, we are looking for the length here. Now we want to find the length of AC. Okay, so I want to find the length of AC. I put AC on the top. Okay, how about let me erase this one first. I want to find AC, right? I put AC on the top. AC divided by sine, this one. 70 degree 44. Oh, 44. Okay, let me write again. 44 minutes is equal to, okay, since this side I put the side length on the top, for the right hand side I need to put the side length on the top as well. So 8 divided by sine 60. So AC will be equal to 8 divided by sine 60 times sine 70 degree 44 minutes. Okay, let me press the calculator. 8 divided by sine 60 times sine 70 degree 44 minutes. Okay, so you should be able to get 8.720 centimeters. Okay, so there's a way how we solve this type of questions. So just now, okay, let me go back to explain to you how to use your calculator to get the angle. Okay, still remember, just now we did under here, then we need to use a calculator to help us to get the angle, right? So you have to be more careful when you tap, when you key in your calculator. Okay, how do we get this one? Shift. Once you press the shift, you will see a S over here. Then press the sign. Then you will get this, because shift is yellow color, right? Yellow in color. So it means that now you are going to key in something written in yellow color, which is this one. Press this. Then you will see this. So 0.7578. Okay, then equal. So you get 49.27. So if you want to write in degree and minutes, you just press this. 49 degrees 60 minutes. If this is 30 and above, then here we need to add 1. Okay, this is 14 less than 30, right? So we don't have to add 1. So we just give our answer in 49 degrees 60 minutes. Okay, don't press this way. Some students might do it this way. They press the sign. Then for this calculator should be no problem. They press this one. Let's say for example, so this calculator should be okay, but I mean for the casual 570, some students they press the sign, then they press this power, then they press -1, and then key in this 0.7578. This is not correct. This is not the way how we key in the calculator. Okay, so just be more careful. You need to practice more. Okay, now let's try this example. And an example 4. PQR is a triangle. It's given that PQ is 7 meters, QR is 5 meters, and RPQ is 43 degree. Angle RPQ is 43 degree. Draw two different triangles based on the measurement given. It means that by using this measurement, actually you can form two triangles which is different in shape. Yeah, they have the same shape, I mean triangle, but it will look different. So this situation we call it ambiguous case. So let me explain a little bit about the ambiguous case for you first. Okay, let's look at this example. Let's say if the question tells you that we have a triangle ABC, AC is equal to 5 centimeters and BC is equal to 8.06 centimeters, and the angle CAB is equal to 53.13 degrees, for example. This length is longer than this one. So in this situation, there's only one triangle that we can form, which is this one. So this is not an ambiguous case. But sometimes, if let's say I change the shape a little bit. Okay, so now this become different side length and different angle. Now if the question gives you this length and this length and this angle, there are actually two triangles you can form. One of them is this one, right? This is shorter than this one. In this case, we actually can form two triangles. Another triangle will be over here. ACD. You will notice that they have the same length, 8.94, 4.47, and this angle. Then you look at ADC. Same thing, 8.94, 4.47, 26.57 degree. So in this situation, by following the given measurement, we can form two triangles, right? So this we call it ambiguous case. And you try to observe their relationship between the angle. Oops. So if let's say one of the triangle formed here, the angle here is 63.42 degree. So how about another triangle, which I means is ACD. So one of them is ACB, or you can say ABC, and then one is ACD. So you will notice that they have some relationship, right? If this is 63.43, here will be 63.43 as well. So if you want to get this angle. You just take 180 minus 63.43. So we have two triangles here. One is obtuse angle triangle, which is ADC, ACD. Another one is acute angle triangle, which is ABC. So remember the relationship of the angle, the relationship between this angle and this angle. If you get this angle, then you want to get the size of this angle will be very easy. You take 180 minus this one. Okay? Okay, now the questions tell you to draw two different triangles. Definitely this is ambiguous case, right? So it means that by using this given information, we can actually draw two triangles, which is different. They have the same shape, triangle, but look different. Okay, so I don't have a ruler, I just simply sketch for you. One of them is acute angle triangle, and another one will be obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Okay, so this is P, this is Q, this is R. So this is 7 meters, QR is 5 meters, and PR, okay, I don't have the PR, and the angle here is 43 degree. 43 degree. So this is one of the triangle that we can form. So another triangle we can form is the QR is not over here, but here. Okay. Now it's not going this way, but go this way. Okay, let me erase this one. So this is PQR, and this is 7 meters. This is the same. This is 5 meters. Oh, 5 meters. Okay, sorry, something wrong here. Okay, so this is 5 meters, and this is still 43 degree. So these are this is ambiguous case. We have two triangle. Okay, now we want to find the two possible value of PR. One is longer and the one is shorter, and the angle PRQ. So I think you should still remember, right, what I told just now. This angle and this angle, they actually have a relationship. Once you get this angle, you want to get this angle, very easy. You take 180 minus this angle, then you will be able to get this angle. Okay, let's try. Okay, now I want to find side length PR. I put PR on the top. PR over, I think, hold on. Okay, it's okay. Let me write this way for you first. Okay, I want to find PR, right? PR over sine angle Q is equal to 5 over sine 43 degree. Okay, but now we have a problem. We don't have the angle Q. So we cannot proceed here. So in order to get the angle Q, so we can get the angle R first. Once we get the angle R, we take 180 minus this 2, then we will be able to get angle Q, right? So how about we find R first? Since now I want to find angle R, I put the angle on the top. Sine angle R over 7 is equal to sine 43 degree over 5. Okay, so this is sine angle R is equal to sine 43 degree over 5 times 7. Okay, just press our calculator. Sine 43 degree divided by 5 times 7. Okay, so this is equal to 0.9548. So angle R will be equal to shift sine. Okay, remember to press the shift then press sine. So you will be able to see this one. 0.9548. Okay. So the angle is 72 degree 42 minutes. Okay, so this is 72 degree 42 minutes. Okay, so we actually already got the answer for this one, PRQ, because the question also asked us to find angle PRQ, right? So now we have the answer for PRQ. PRQ is equal to 72 degree 42 minutes. Okay, 42 minutes. 42 minutes. Okay, so the answer for this one. Okay, so how about PR? Now we can find PR once we have this two angle. We take 180. So let me find angle Q first. So now I'm doing for this triangle. So later on I will do another set of solution for this triangle. So the angle Q is equal to 180 degree minus 43 degree minus 72 degree 42 minutes. 180 minus 43 minus 72 degree 42 minutes. Okay, which is equal to 64.3 degree. So this is 64.3 degree. Can you see it? This is 64. Okay, 64.3 degree. Okay, now once we have this angle, very easy for us to get a PR. Okay, PR over sine Q, which is sine 64.3 is equal to 5 over sine 43. Okay, so PR will be equal to 5 divided by sine 43 degree times sine 64.3 degree. Okay, so just press our calculator. 5 over sine 43 times sine 64.3. Okay, so the answer is 6.606. This is meter, right? Okay, meter, 6.606 meter. Okay, so this is the answer for this triangle. Find two possible values for PR and PRQ. So we actually have two PR. One is this one is this one. And we have two possible values for PRQ as well. One is this one and then one is this one. Okay, so complete this one. Now we proceed to the next triangle. Now let's focus on this one. So this is 72 degree 42 minutes. So if I ask you to find this angle, then it will be very easy. You know that this angle is actually 180 minus this one, right? So now let me use another color. So angle PRQ. So this will be 180 degree minus 72 degree 42 minutes. Okay, which is equal to 107 degree 18 minutes. So same thing over here. If you want to get the length PR, I need to find this angle. Okay, this is 107 degree 18 minutes. So if you want to get this angle, let me use blue color. Angle Q will be equal to 180 degree minus 43 degree minus 107 degree and not enough space and 18 minutes. Okay, let me calculate. 180 minus 43 minus 107 degree 18 minutes. Okay, so we got 29.7 degree. So this one is 29.7 degree. Okay, so now we can use exactly the same method to help us to get the length of PR. So PR PR over sine 29.7 degree. PR over sine 29.7 degree is equal to 5 over sine 43 degree. Okay, so now PR is equal to, okay, let me erase this one first. Five over sine 43 degree times sine 29.7 degree. Okay, so PR should be equal to 5 over sine 43 times sine 29.7. Okay, 3.632 meters. So we actually have two possible value of PR. One of them is 6.606, which is for this one, longer one, and the one is 3.632, shorter one. And we have two possible value for angle PRQ as well. One of them is smaller one, acute angle, 72 degree, 42 minutes. And another one is the bigger one, obtuse angle, 107 degree, 18 minutes. Okay, so let me tell one more thing. Let's say you don't know the relationship between these two. Just now, how I get this one, how I got this one, I take 180 minus this, right? I will get this one. Let's say, for example, you don't know their relationship. So how do we get this angle? We can do it this way. First, I think I need to explain this one to you. Let's say if I have two axes over here, if this is 30 degree, this one you are going to learn more in Form 5. So if this is 30 degree as well, okay. So it means that here is 150 degree, right? So this is 30 degree. So you try to press your calculator sine 30 degree and sine 150 degree. They give you exactly the same answer. Okay, let me press the calculator, sine 30 degree. You get 0.5. You try to press this one, sine 150. You get exactly the same, right? Okay, now if you understand this one, then it will be easier for you to understand that the step that I'm going to show you here. So same thing, you do what you do like this one, but until here, okay, the beginning step still the same, do until here. But when you want to press the calculator, when you press the calculator gives you this answer, right? But you know that this answer, because the calculator always gives you the acute angle one. But you know this answer definitely cannot be used for this one, right? Why? Because this is an acute angle. When you look at this diagram, you know this is an obtuse angle. So definitely this angle is not for this one. So how do we get this one? So we just take 180 minus this one. So we will be able to get 107 degree and 80 minutes. You can try to press your calculator. Sine 72 degree, 42 minutes. And you will get this one, right? And sine 107 degree, 80 minutes. You will get exactly the same answer. Okay, so just be more careful when you press your calculator, right? Calculator always give you the acute angle one. So when you look at the diagram, you know that this answer is not for this one. So in order to get this answer, you take 180 degree minus this one. Because you see, look at this two. If this is 30, sine 30, I want to get sine and an angle, which is exactly will give us the same answer as sine 30. So what is angle? You take 180 minus 30. You get this. So you can try other ones. So for example, if now I have a triangle, sorry, not a triangle, I have an angle here, let's say 40 degree. So sine 40 degree. So I want you to find another angle, which is obtuse angle. Theta, I don't know. What is theta? Now I'm asking you what's theta. So sine theta. This is obtuse angle, this is acute angle. So acute angle for this case, obtuse angle for this case. So they have exactly the same answer. So what's the angle here? You know that this 40, here will be 40, right? So take 180 minus 40, you get 140. So it means that sine 140 is actually equal to sine 40 degree. You can try press your calculator. Sine 140 and sine 40. You get exactly the same answer. Okay, for this video, I stop here first. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.